YouTube, what's good? It's your man Titus J back with another video. Now, before I get into the nitty gritty of this video, I just want to take a little time out to say thank you to all my subscribers, to those leaving comments, to those hitting the like button. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you. You know, I get motivated every time y'all hit me up or comment up under my videos, hit that like, or I see I got a new subscriber. So thank you so much, man. Shout out to the TJ Wavy family, man. It's all love, you feel me? Now, if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, what you doing? You need to hit that subscribe button, man. Cause we chopping over here, you feel me? We chopping. We chopping is only right. Now, in this video, I'm gonna be giving 360 wave tips. Stay tuned. I got you. Now we're gonna get into this video. Tip number 1 is gonna be brush your hair. Get a good brush and put that work in. It don't matter what pattern you have. You can have 180, 360, 540s, 720s. It don't matter. You're gonna have to get a good brush and you're gonna have to put that work in. Look, in the morning, brush. Afternoon, brush. In the evening, brush. Before work, brush. After work, brush. Before school, brush. After school, brush. You get it? Brush, 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 brush. Brushing is the key. It's the key. That's the only way you're gonna get waves is brushing. All right, so we got tip number 1 out the way. It's gonna be brush your hair. Now we're gonna step into tip number 2. Don't be scared to comb. So tip number 2 is gonna be make sure you comb. Comb with the grain. It helps with depth, connections, all that good stuff. Don't be scared to comb, man. Comb your waves. It's good for them. Just as much as, you know, it's important to brush, it's important to comb too. So make sure you comb your hair. Have comb sessions too. Don't just have brush sessions. Have comb sessions as well. See what I'm saying? Comb with the grain. You'll be just fine. All right, so tip number 2 is out the way. Tip number 2 was comb your hair. Tip number 3 is gonna be make sure you have a do-rag. Make sure you have a do-rag. Make sure you sleep with it on your head. If you don't wear a do-rag, you're gonna be wasting a lot of brush sessions, comb sessions. You're gonna lose progress no matter what. So make sure you have a do-rag. And damn near wear it all the time. Now look, if you're going to a function, all that stuff, don't wear your do-rag. Don't do it, it's unprofessional. But if you just out and about kicking it with the homies, going to the store or whatever, make sure you got your do-rag on, especially after every brush session. Rag up, put that do-rag on, you feel me? So make sure you have a do-rag. That's tip number 3, do-rag. So now we going into tip number 4, is to make sure you try to get the most natural products you can get your hands on. Try to put natural products in your hair for great hair health, so you can have healthy looking hair. When your hair is healthy, it has a nice shine to it. So try your best to get healthy, natural products. Now I know it's hard in the wave game to find all natural products because most of the pomades we use, 360 styling and sporting waves and whatever, they have chemicals in them. I'm sorry, they do. They have chemicals in them. Some moisturizers and stuff like that, but try your best to get quality products in your hair. And if you can't, especially if you're a beginner waver, you know, go ahead and put that pomade in there. You know what I'm saying? Don't use a lot though, but get that pomade on in there and then branch out. Use a little bit of coconut oil or go get some As I Am double buttercream and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? So tip number 4 is gonna be make sure you get some good products in your hair. Tip number 5 is gonna be make sure you wash your hair. You don't want no dirty waves. You don't want to brush your hair or comb your hair and you see dandruff and all old products and stuff coming out. That look crazy. So make sure you wash your hair. Now look, when I get a fresh cut, I don't wash my hair for like 2 weeks. I'm just brushing and brushing and brushing and brushing and brushing. But after that 2 weeks, I do wash my hair once a week. Now I got hip to these products right here. Organics, you know, I'm trying to get my hair as healthy as possible. So I'm using these right here, so I'm in love with these products right now, but it is very important to wash your hair. Like I said, we're trying to get them waves looking nice and get that hair nice and healthy. So tip number 5, wash your hair. All right, so tip number 6. I think we on number 6. I hope we on number 6, because I'm just doing this as we go. Make sure you have brush sessions. Brush sessions. 15 to 30 minute brush sessions. I do at least at the minimum 2 a day, maximum 3 a day. 3 times a day I make sure I brush my hair 15 to 30 minutes. You could be watching TV, do anything like that, you know what I'm saying? Say for example, I'm watching the Bengals game, shout out to the Bengals, and like it go to a commercial. I get some swipes in. When the commercial's off, I'm back watching the game. So you know, I'm just giving you a little tips, you know, that can help you, you know, so you can get your sessions in, you know what I'm saying? So just make sure you have brush sessions. That's important. I'm telling you, you're gonna start chopping. And brush sessions are important. So tip number 6, make sure you have brush sessions. All right, so tip number 7 is gonna be stay motivated. I'm telling you, it's important to stay motivated when you trying to be a waiver. Cause it's gonna be times you're gonna be like, man, I don't feel like brushing. I'm tired, I just came from school, basketball practice, just got off work. I do not feel like brushing. This is what tip number 7 is for. Gotta stay motivated. Motivated, motivated, motivated. So stay motivated. Keep brushing. Alrighty, so now we're going into tip number 8, which is surround yourself with other waivers or mingle with other waivers. The reason I say that is because you can always learn something from someone. Plus, if you got another waiver around you, it keep you on your A game. Because I'm telling you, once y'all start talking and hanging around, both of y'all gonna start progressing. Y'all gonna start going hard because you're gonna be like, he ain't gonna have no better waves than me. It's a wrap. It's a good way of having good, healthy competition. Like even me, I got a little brother. Shout out to Eric. AR-15 was good, bro. I love you. But anyway, man, he keep me on my toes. He always text me, I hope you brushing because I'm on your ass, you feel me? And I say the same shit. Oh, you ain't got nothing, you feel me? But yeah, tip number 8. Surround yourself with waivers or mingle with other waivers. Also, there's wave groups out there. Any wave group, which means Natural Elite Waiver Group. You got Waivers Paradise, and then you got Brush Connections. All those on Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. And follow your favorite waivers. Follow me on Instagram. Follow PB, you know, 360 Wave Process. All them great waivers, you know. Follow them, man. Follow them. So that's tip number 8. Right, tip number 8 out the way, so we going to number 9, which is do it for the love of it. You feel me? You putting in all this time, wanting these waves and all this stuff. Of course, you're going to try to do it for the girls. You want the compliments. You want all that good stuff. It comes with it, but you got to do it for the love of it. You got to wave because you love to wave. You got to brush because you love to brush. You got to comb because you love to comb. You got to... Man, look, you got to do all that stuff because you love it. This tip right here, you got to do it for the love, man. You got to love it. I love it. I love it. You feel me? I love waving. Love 360 waving. You feel me? Ain't nothing better. You feel me? Alrighty, so we on the last tip, which is tip number 10 is going to be have fun. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. No matter what you do in life, I know we talk about 360 wave and all that good stuff, but no matter what you do in life, keep the stress levels down and have fun. Because when you're having fun, you're going to be great because you're loving what you're doing. So have fun. That's tip number 10. Now, look, those are Titus J tips to 360 waving. I appreciate you checking out my video. I hope you had fun watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, you know what I'm saying, so that way you will not miss my videos. And I would like to send another shout out to my subscribers, the TJ Wavy family. Appreciate y'all, man. Keep rocking with me, man. I got more stuff on the way. I got products in the mail right now, and I will be doing reviews and all that good stuff. So stay tuned and keep brushing. I'm out of here. Have a good day.